Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. First, we need to divide both sides with ds. Next, we need to move this one on the right. Later that we divide with 4x minus 3y minus 11. Next, we need to use about substitution. So we got about s equals to t plus 2 and y equal to v minus 1. If we do first the derivative in the both sides, we got about the s equal to dt, dy equal to dv. So we put this one go in here. And y equal to v minus 1. dy we change for dv. ds we change for dt. So we simplify this one on the right, and you will got about negative 3t, negative 5v. We have 4t minus 3v. Next, we need to use about substitution again. So we put about v equal to tu. If we do first the derivative in both sides with this one, you got about dv over dt. So we do first the derivative of t, you will got about u. If we do first the derivative of u, you got about t multiplied with dt over du. Sorry, du over dt. So we put this one, replace this one. So we put u on the left. Later that we divide both sides with t. So we have 1 over t multiply this one and this one. So this one. So we put u with t in here. Later that we divide t on numerator and denominator. So we know that v divided by t, that means we divide both sides with t in here, so you got about u. This one you got negative number 9. So on denominator we can put about t in here. So this one we change for u. And now we have this one in here. Now we put this one go to this one and this one go to this one. dt go to on the right. So you got about 4 minus 3u, negative 3, negative 9u plus 3u squared, and we got about du equals to dt over t. Later that we put the integral for the both sides. So I put 1 over 3 outside. So now I will concentrate about this integration first. About this one, we can put about 2 multiplied with 3 over 2. So that means we need to have 9 over 4. And we need to minus 9 over 4. This one, you will get about negative 13 over 4. So this one, we can put about u minus 3 over 2 to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometry substitution. So we put about u minus 3 over 2 equals to the square root of number 13 over 2, and that should be about secant of z du equals to this one multiply with secant of z tan z dz. So we put this one go in here about u. So we put negative 3 over 2 on the right. So you got about this one plus 3 over 2 du. We change for this one. So you got about 13 over 4 secant of z square. This one multiply with this one and this one. So we put 13 over 4 outside, and we can do about factorization. This one we change for tan z square. So we simplify tan z. Now we put numbers, the square root of number 13 over 2 and 13 over 4 outside. So you got about like this. Four minus 9 over 2. You got about negative 1 over 2. So now we can divide this integration into two integrations. The first one and the second one. About this one, we can put about 1 over cosine z. This one we change for sine z over cosine z. So we simplify 1 over cosine z. This one change for sine z. And now we get the final answer. The integral of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of tan z. The integral of this one in here, you got about positive ln of the absolute value of cosecant of z plus cotan z plus c. About z, we need to change back for this one. So we divide both sides with the square root of number 13 over 2. So you got about z equal to secant of u minus 3 over 2 divide to, we divide this one, and you got about 2 over the square root of number 13. So we put this one, go in here. We have just like this. And we just return back for this one with 1 over 3. So you got about 39. And now on the left, on the right, you got about dt over t. So you got about ln of the absolute value of t plus c. Now we have u. That's about this one. We change back for v over t. V and T. That's about this one. So we change t equal to s minus 2 and v, that should be about y plus 1. So we have s minus 2, that's it for v. About t, t actually s minus 2, sorry, I wrong. T, it should be in here. And this one too. About v, that's about y plus 1. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.